Hey guys, I know on Monday I discussed a little bit about using HTML code, especially when you're building a course in an LMS like Canvas. So I just wanted to go over some super basic things. So what I have right here, I know that on the lunch table, we're huge fans of having like a daily agenda or a weekly agenda on a Google Slides presentation. And the best way to do this and keep up is to just make a copy for the next day or for the next week and just add it to the top of a slide deck. And so this is how I'm used to organizing my course. And it actually works really well if you are able to embed it into your learning management system. So I'm going to show you how to do that with Canvas. Again, super easy. I also have some buttons that are down here. I just made these by, inserting an image or inserting a shape like up here. And then with the buttons, you can go through and you can insert a link. The link can be to any published page in Canvas. And so you just go to Canvas, get the link at the top of your website, and then come back here, click on insert link, and you would just put it here. So, and that's kind of how I plan on managing a lot of these things. So again, so this is how to embed this directly into Canvas. So you just go up to, I'm going to move myself to the side, up to File, go down to where it says Publish to the Web. When you're on Publish to the Web, it'll just have a question at the bottom. I've already published mine, but it'll just say, would you like to publish? And you say, yes, I do. And then I just go to get the embed code. So the embed code is right here. So I'm just going to hit Control-C to copy. So however you're used to copying. And then I'm going to go back here. So here's my Canvas pages, and I'm going to make this as part of my home page because that makes the most sense to me. So I'm just going to add a page over here. And I'm going to call it Welcome. Okay, so here's my page. And then right here, so I'm going to click up to the top where it says HTML Editor. And when I'm in the HTML Editor, that's where I'm just going to hit Control-V and go back to the Rich Content Editor. And it will save. So I'm giving it a second to just kind of load. And then please do not forget to hit save. I do this all the time and I always forget this part. So hit save at the bottom. And then once it's saved, now you've got a slide that is all nice and fancy and embedded in your Canvas course. So again, if you need to ever update things or if you want to link to another slide, you can go back here. And because it's live, you can actually make changes. So I can type in like exactly what the assignment is. But then if you go back to my course and if I just refresh the page, it's taking a second to refresh. So once I refresh the page, then you can see that all of my things have been updated. I like this bar at the bottom. I know that on an earlier lunch table post, I talked about how to remove that. For this type of thing, I like to keep the bar because I like it for students to be able to go backwards and see assignments for other weeks. So anyways, so I hope that that was super helpful and explains a little bit about how to embed just a basic PowerPoint or a slides presentation into your Canvas course. Okay, folks, see you guys later.